So hello everyone, I am Melody C. Uwakan. I am the first reporter of Group 6. So our learning objectives, at the end of this chapter, the student should be able to state specific measures to promote physical health, explain activities that promote physical health, and identify their own needs to achieve good health. Okay, so measures to promote physical health. Genetics accounts for about one-third of causes of poor health, harmful behavior, and environment account for much more. So there are some measures that ensure your physical well-being. So first, which is regularly eating balanced nutritious meals. So proper nutrition is a basic human need and a prerequisite for a healthy life. Eat enough to keep your weight within 10% of the ideal limits. Seek diversity in what you eat with plenty of vegetables and fruits. So green leafy vegetables are rich sources of vitamins and minerals. Continue to eat healthy food during menstruation and pregnancy. Okay, to maintain your physical well-being, you should eat more kanang mga vegetables, fruits, mga healthy foods. Okay, so an improper diet such as the body does not get the right amounts of the vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that it needs leads to malnutrition. So katong mga kanang improper diet kanang bisan nasobraan na ka o kanang kaon nga mga kanang over na kanang mga wala bitaw na ano sa eksakto nga pagkaon. Yes, muna siya. Dayon, malnutrition involves both undernutrition and overnutrition. So, undernutrition refers to the consumption of least nutrients that required for the exertion of essential nutrients faster than they are replaced. So, katong mga undernutrition kanang muna siya kanang mga need pa siya og kadang mukaon og mga daghan nga mga more on vitamins ana kay ang common causes sa undernutrition is kanang excessive dieting, diarrhea, severe illness, substance abuse, and poverty. It results in poor growth and development, slow repair of tissues, and inadequate defense against diseases. So, let's move on to overnutrition. So overnutrition, on the other hand, is the consumption of more nutrients than required. Its common causes include overeating, lack of exercise, or hormonal disorders. Malnutrition leads to reproductive, metabolic, and cardiac problems. So kanang mga fat nga mga tao muna siya ang mga overnutrition kanang wala siya mga lack of exercise siya, no? So wala siya proper well-being sa iyang physical. So that's all. Thank you for listening.